The Lord is good, a refuge in times of trouble. He cares for those who trust in Him. Nahum chapter 1 verses 7. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so very much for coming back. We're getting extra cozy today with this peppered goat meat light soup, popularly known in Ghana as Kaalomo. It is so delicious and tasty, family. So refreshing to have on this rainy season. Let's get real quick with this one. You're going to absolutely love it. Let's get started. Recipe, you need very few ingredients. Of course, we need our fresh goat meat. It's always hard to come by this fresh goat meat with the skin on here in Europe, and my husband came across one in the African market and got it for me. It was so exciting moment. And we have here some fresh onions, ginger, garlic, some rosemary, aniseed, tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, and of course some salt. Very few. I will list the exact quantity below in the description box. All right, let's start off by prepping our ingredients. I start off by chopping our onions, ginger, and garlic. We'll be grinding the ginger, garlic, and all the other ingredients, but before that, I like to start off by cooking this goat meat a little bit before I add all the other ingredients. So I am going to add all my goat meat in my pot and add some chopped onions and season it with some salt and add about a cup of water, cover it and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes before I come to check up on it again. It is really tough meat and it has to be handled in a very special way, okay? And for this special recipe, I really love to use my earthen bowl because I really believe in this earthen bowl. It gives me all the flavors that I need in my soup. But go ahead and use a blender, all right? It is okay. So I went ahead to blend my ginger, garlic, and some rosemary and aniseed. And I also added about a handful of fresh kpakpo shito. Yeah, it's really flavorful and also very spicy. I thought I was filming that part when I was adding the kpakpo shito, but the camera did not cut that. I was so upset, but please note that there is kpakpo shito in here, okay? If you don't have kpakpo shito, you can add some peppers, red peppers. It'll be fine as well. Use the fresh one, okay? And add everything back to the base of the soup. This tomato paste that I'm adding is very optional, but I really love the color that it's going to bring to the soup, okay? So you can decide to completely omit that. It is fine since you already have 2 fresh tomatoes to add already. And to the fresh tomatoes, I'm going to again add 1 habanero pepper. Please do not sleep on habanero pepper. They are super spicy, okay? So I'm going to add just 1, and I'm going to also remove the tomatoes after about 5 minutes of it boiling together with the base of the soup, and I'm going to blend these 2 ingredients and add it back to the soup. Once we've added all the other ingredients, we are now filling the pot up with lots of water like this. I truly enjoy my soup a lot. So you have to add the amount of water that you prefer, or the consistency or the thickness of your soup that you prefer. Normally this kind of soup is extremely light, and allow it to boil, like deeply boil like this for about 30 minutes, and the aromas, oh my goodness, so amazing. It smells so fresh in here. I really hope you could experience this with me. I went ahead to also drop few fresh kpakpo shito for anyone who still want extra heat. All right, it's so good, and it's also for garnishing as well. Amazing soup. After about 40 minutes of deep boiling. Look, we have our soup ready. Looks so good and smells even amazing. You can literally smell the ginger, the peppers and everything already. Looks so good. And normally you will love to have your Kaalomo with some kenkey, especially after Sunday church service. I don't know if you had that experience in Ghana or back home. It's so good. This was for my hubby. He absolutely enjoyed this kind of soup with kenkey. It's so amazing. It tastes absolutely delicious. So I made this homemade kenkey. I also shared a recipe already here, and I'm going to link it below and here as well. Okay, so please do well to check it out. Oh, this soup was so ready to be served. Please give me this soup any day, every day, anytime, and I will not say no. Smells so good. Just look at this meat. They were super soft and just so chewy. Oh my goodness. I've also shared a similar recipe using pork, which is easier to find usually here in Europe, so I'm going to link that here and below as well. Do well to watch that and you're going to love it equally. This was amazing, breathtaking, if I can say so by myself. So I am just a fan of fufu, so I went ahead to serve mine with some super soft plantain fufu. Oh my goodness. That was so good as well. You can also pair this with rice or just sip it on its own. This soup is absolutely delicious, tasty, refreshing, everything you want to have in your soup. And just look how soft this meat look like. Oh my goodness, so good. Please do try this, okay? You have to really try this and you will love it. Don't forget to add some fresh okra to it. Oh my god, so good. And there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching right to the end. I really appreciate your love and support. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this recipe, all right? And share to a few friends and family, because that's the only way we are going to help this channel grow together. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to gear up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also do love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.